Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I want to just say I am sorry for not uploading. I know I said I'm coming back and I'm uploading twice a week, and that is my plan. But the month honestly just went right by me. I honestly had 1 or 2 videos pre-filmed and I needed to edit them and then upload them. And I remember at the beginning of the month going, okay, I'm gonna go away, I'm gonna go out of town for like 2 days and then I'm gonna come back and I can like edit them, upload them. Well, it turns out I came back, I forgot to edit them, I forgot to film my update for my project Pan, and I kept continuing the month and I kept forgetting to film and upload. So here I am. It's the 28th. Okay, I promise you I'm going to be better this summer. I have a few things planned that I know I want to film, like vlogs and stuff, so I am going to continue filming. I'm not taking a break. I'm not like going silent. I don't know where this month went. So anyway, I'm going to be updating you for my project Pan. This is going to be all the progress that I made from my last video. So I believe my last one was more for April and May. So this one's going to be like May and June. So I do have 2 rollouts, which I'm very excited to talk about. So let's just get right in to this video. All right, the very first item we're going to talk about is the It's My Pleasure palette. This one here I had a goal to use 30 times and I am halfway there. That's so exciting. I am wearing it on my lower lash line today. So here is the palette. So to use the palette 30 times or to hit pan on the shade Bare Minimum. I'm not going to be able to hit pan on the shade Bare Minimum. I already know that. I got sick and tired of working on it last time in the project. I figured having 2 goals was better, then at least I'm not so stuck on 1 goal. So whatever one I hit first is great. If I can hit pan sooner, I'll hit pan and roll it out. And if I can reach a usage goal, I might as well reach the goal and roll it out. So I used it 9 times since the last update, bringing us to a total of 15 uses. So I only need to use this 15 more times. So I'm thinking it's probably going to be in here for another 2 months or so, which will be really fun, and then I can roll it out. So it's going to stay in the project for now. Okay, the next item is going to be a rollout. Can you guess what it is? It's my blush, and I'm so excited. So I ended up using this 10 times in the month of like May and June. The goal was to use it 15 times. I did use it 16 times. So here it is. I don't have any pan or anything like that, but that's okay because the goal was to just use it so I could use it a little bit more. This is my favorite blush. I love wearing this blush, so I would use it as like a blush, and then I would use it sometimes as an eyeshadow like I'm doing today, just so the look can be a little bit more cohesive. But yes, I ended up using this 15 times, so I am going to be rolling it out, which means we are going to roll in a new item in its place, and I'm so excited because that means I get a new item for summer. Let's talk about an item that we already know is not being rolled out, which is the Merit Terracotta Blush. However, this one here actually has some really serious progress on it. So it is a flat, like flat, flat, flat. So I don't know, we may be able to hit pan on this. I may be able to finish this. If I don't finish this by December, I am going to just be rolling it out of my collection because it is like over a year old. So I don't want to keep it around in my collection for too long. But I'm really hoping to finish this. I would love to see what the packaging underneath looks like. So I ended up using it 9 times. That's pretty good. I ended up layering this with my NARS blush every single time I did my makeup. It made the perfect combination, so I'm really excited. So I still have my It's My Pleasure palette and the terracotta blush in the project, and also the Tarte Lip Plump. So this mini has been sticking around for a while, but we're almost done. Like we're just about there now. So this is how much I have left. I really don't have anything left in here. So I feel like 1 more month I'll be able to like roll this out. So that'll be fun. So I know for the next update I'll at least have 1 rollout. I haven't marked down that I used it 13 times. I do want to say I used it more like 15 times or more, but for sure 13 times. So this little guy here from Tarte as a sample, it really lasted a long time. So that's pretty nice, but it's not a formula for me. I just don't really like, it's too creamy, and I don't really like how it's always so cooling. I know it's to plump your lips, but I'm not like a lip plump person. So it is going to be fun when I can roll this out and then roll in like a lip gloss because I love glosses, or even work on like a Merit lipstick again. So yeah, I'm really excited to roll this out, but I have like 1 more month, so we've got 3 real strong runners here that I'm hoping to be able to finish in the summer so that I can start fall off with like all fresh stuff. That would be amazing. On a high note, I reached my goal in the bronzer, so I used it 15 times in total. So that's really exciting. I used it as a bronzer and I used it as an eyeshadow. That is how I hit the 15 usage mark. So I'm really happy about that. So I can roll out a bronzer, I can roll out a blush. Excited to see what I roll in next, but I have one more item to update. Okay, so my Rare Beauty concealer. I'm just about done with this concealer. I used it 11 times and it's supposed to stay in the project until I finish it. However, it's starting to get really messy and I really don't have that much, oh, I got concealer on my hands. I really don't have that much left in here. I'm like right at the bottom here. Like my finger will cover where it is. It's like this much left. You can see all of the windowing. I am like right here on it. And because it is summer, it is a little bit too bright on me. So I do think I am going to keep this in here for like one more rotation, you know, one more month, a couple more uses, and then I should be able to at least like get to the bottom of it. Like I really don't have that much left in here anyway, and this is getting a little bit older, so it's just time. So I'll keep it in here for one more month, use it as much as I can, and then we can roll it out next time. So next time I should have 2 rollouts as well, which will be really exciting. So that'll give me some motivation and a reminder to film. So I'm gonna take my phone so we can roll in 2 new items. This piece of hair is bothering me. Okay, let's see what I am going to be bringing in my project. Reset the wheel and let's go. Ooh, no way. That's crazy. I don't know if you can see my Jouer bronzer, which is really good because I just rolled out a bronzer. A NARS lip oil. I'm excited. I'm excited. So here are the 2 items that got rolled in. My Jouer bronzer. So there are 2 tones in here. So this is going to be another goal for 15 uses. I think that's a really good goal. I can use it for like a month or 2. So 15 uses on this. I'm really excited because I also love my Jouer bronzer a lot. And then for my NARS lip gloss, I'm just going to keep this one in here until I finish it. That's literally what I'm going to do. I have a feeling I'm going to finish my lip plump soon from Tarte, and then I can just do some serious damage on this and hopefully be able to finish one of these because I actually have a second one in the same exact shade. So it would be really, really fun to finish this one, and then I could roll out 2 lip products in the year. That would be amazing. So wish me luck. And I feel like with this, like because it is like a lip oil, it's not going to take me as long to use it because the formula is a little bit like thinner. So I just layered it, so I can always layer it too. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait. I'm going to just keep this in here until I finish it. So let me go ahead and just recap you on the items I'm going to be working on for July and maybe August. So just a reminder, I'm not going to be coming on here like August 1st and updating you on all the items. I may come on here August 1st. I may come on here at the end of July. I might come on here at the end of August. It's honestly whenever I feel like I have enough progress to share with you. So the first item, so let's just start with the oldest items in here. So again, the It's My Pleasure palette is going to stay in here for 15 more uses, so I'm thinking about 2 more months. I'm really hoping to be able to roll it out by September, if not, you know, October the latest. But I'm really hoping to be able to just kind of use that up a little bit more and then roll it out. And then we have the Terracotta Blush from Merit. So this one here again, hoping to be able to finish it by December, and then if not, I'll just roll it out of my collection. I've got the Lip Plump from Tarte, which should be no problem to finish in a month. And then I have the concealer that I am going to just use for 1 more month. I just want to see the progress that I'm going to be able to make in a month. I feel like it is fairly light on my skin right now because I do have a little bit of a tan, but that's okay. I should be able to make it work, and then I can move on to the Hourglass concealer. So this one here, 1 more month. And then I have the new item, which is the NARS lip oil, which I'm excited to see like how much progress I'm actually going to be able to make because I don't have that many uses on it. As you can see, there's like a little bit of an air bubble, but not very much. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to make like visible progress on this within like a month or a month and a half. And then the last item is going to be the Jouer bronzers. So again, 15 uses on these. So like, let's say I use this one here as a bronzer and then this as an eyeshadow. It'll be one use and one use. I feel like this way I can use both shades, get good use out of it. And then if I'm able to roll it out a little bit quicker, that would be fun because then I can roll something else in. And I do reach for this anyway, so it's not like I'm using it. It's not like I'm just using it for no reason. I do actually really like to use these as eyeshadows regardless. So like I said, if I use this once and then this once, that is a total of 2 uses. So that also may make it go faster. I may only have it in here for a month. We'll see. Okay guys, so that is everything. Again, I do apologize that I was not on here for a month. I can't believe how fast a month can go. So I'm really hoping that this project pan will remind me at the like end of July, early August to like film and update you guys. I'm really excited with my project pan items and where they are because I have a feeling that some of these are like so close to being done and I can roll some out. I also do want to purchase a few new makeup items, so I'm happy that some of them are just about done because then it will give me the like reassurance that I can purchase some new items and I'm not going to have too many. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for when I upload next, which it won't be very long, and I'll see you in the next one.